Right, this is episode 59 of the post-workout vlog. What a session. One of the best sessions I have had in a very, very long time. Do I know why? No, I don't have a fucking clue. But I've trained pull, was progressing on every set, felt a lot more like I had a lot more energy. I had the belt on, which was holding the hernia in. Every rep felt solid. My food's obviously gone up ever so slightly, so that could be a factor. But this is a bit of advice to anyone else who tracks the training and all that sort of stuff. When you have these kind of sessions, make sure you're tracking or even looking back for that day and thinking, right, what have I done differently? What was my salt intake? What was my water intake? What time did I eat? How was my sleep last night? Look back and make notes, as many notes as possible, because that is only going to help you with repeating the process. Do you know what I mean? And making sure that next time you're implementing the same things or as close to as possible to make sure you're getting the best results. That was a very quick blah, blah, blah. The Say Less hoodies are back on. The Alexander the Great. You know how we do. The best hoods in the entire game. Quiet takeover, mastery in the silence. Big hoods for big bad motherfuckers. Right, drum roll, please. Tonight, we actually, quickly as well, I got myself one of those big bags that's got the cooler blocks in and stuff. I can put all my meal preps in and actually be organised. Comes with spoons. And watch this, right? I've had these berries in here all day, still cold. You know how we do. Right, so the drum roll, please, gone way overboard. Tonight, no cereal still. I'm a lazy fucker who's not been shopping. We've got 110 grams of the honey peanut gas mark 10 cream of rice. This, by far, like, obviously all the products I buzz off, but this by far is the best cream of rice flavour that I've had, and I've had a lot of them. So yeah, if you are going to get one, and you like honey, and you like peanut, then get the fucking honey peanut one. So we got 110 grams of that, 100 grams of berries, and 40 grams of vanilla ice cream. Whey protein isolate by, obviously, the one and only Gas Mark 10. And like I always say, if you want to get massive, if you want to be cool, go to Gas Mark 10, use code JAN10 at checkout, and then also go to Say Less Clothing. Get a hoodie, get a t-shirt, and use code SPOOK today for 20% off your order. Site-wide, that's everything, including stuff that's already on discount. So, this is fucking lang. But right, it's Halloween, so got stuff planned tonight. So I'm going to eat this, and I'm going to go home. Say less. Bam!